Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to solve the brightness issue from your computer screen. So many a times in Windows PCs we get a brightness issue that your screen brightness is not working fine. It may be too bright or very low brightness is getting shown that may strain your eyes and would not be very feasible to work with. So in this video we are going to see how do we fix that problem if it is a driver issue. So what you need to do is you need to just go to the start icon, just right click on the start icon and go to device manager. So this will open up the device manager like this. Just expand it to the fullest, go to the monitors, select this generic PNP monitor, right click, make sure it is enabled. So how do you make sure that it is enabled? If it is enabled, you will get the option as disabled device. In case you are not getting this disabled device, instead of disabled device, enable device is written, then what you need to do is you need to click on enable device to make sure it is enabled. So once it is enabled, just restart your system. Your brightness issue should have been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then again come to this device manager, go to monitors, and the generic PNP monitor, click on update driver. From this menu, just select search automatically for drivers. If you get this option, the best drivers are already installed, then it's well and fine, just close it. Otherwise, if you get a driver there, then it will automatically be installed by your device manager. And in case your new driver is installed, then you need to restart your PC and then check the brightness issue. That should be working fine once you have restarted your PC. Still, if it is not working, then go to display adapters. The same thing, make sure that it is enabled and then go to update drivers, search automatically for drivers. If it shows the best drivers are already installed, just close it and then your brightness should work fine if it is a driver's issue. If still your brightness is not working fine, then the last step that you need to do is just close this window. Again, right click, go to update driver. This time just select browse my computer for drivers and click on next. So again it is giving me the best drivers are already installed. So in your case also, if it is showing you the best drivers are already installed and still you are getting the brightness issue, then it means it is not a driver's issue that is causing a brightness glitch in your screen. Then it is maybe something with your monitor and you need to get your hardware checked in this particular case. So once you have done this, you can just close it. And just remember one thing, if you made any of the changes in the device manager, you need to restart your system, and once you've restarted, then the changes would have been applied. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.